Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to talk about the BUMS corner, the street for. If this video reached you, I want to use this opportunity to remind you.
Our BUMS corner is one of the biggest Telegram mini app that we have, like in the Telegram right now. Without being saying much, if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Let's go direct into our video so that we will be beneficial to this update that I've been sharing with you guys. If you are mining BUMS corner, it is really important for you guys to come and mint this BUM ID. This BUMS ID definitely will help increase your airdrop when the allocation is going to be live, when they are going to count the allocation. Here is the BUMS ID. Let's click on it. As you can see, here is the your BUM ID. You have to and a half plus 1 profit power. So if I need to upgrade it, I will just come to this section, upgrade, so that I should click on it. Here is the needful that I need to pay. If it is 1 month that I want to upgrade my BUMS ID, so definitely I should pay for at least reaching to 400, which is 399. And then again, the platinum, it is 999, which is 1000, equivalently. Here, if you don't forget X Empire, BUMS corner, it is very similar with X Empire. This is not new kind of mining that I need to sharing you how to do it, or we already know that you are doing it. You know how to participate in it. So the main purpose for doing this video is to remind you, take your BUMS corner serious. BUMS is almost been over, so it's almost gonna be hitting to the section that the TGE is going to approach to the going to hit in the market. Here it is. All this this section, all this is new features that they have been added. So I will advise you to go and do it one by one or bit by bit. Here it is. It is just like a quest or partnership. As you can see, this one is a crypto alcohol box, and this one, it is a treasury. This one is OKX. This one Stormfi. This one airdrop rules, BUMS road, so on. Let's click on this airdrop rules. It is mandatory, so definitely you need to be fulfilling this certain condition, made some main transaction, subscribe to BUM channel, daily login, which is at least you need to have 45 daily login. So you see that I have 18, so I need to at least to make it 45. So definitely I should pay attention to fulfill it. Definitely from right today, so definitely if I need to be eligible, so I need to be logging daily without skipping any day. Here it is. Without making the video to be long, if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. If I made the video related to BUMS corner regarding the new update that I want to share with you guys, so definitely I will drop it in my YouTube channel. Thank you.